Hi, welcome to Trini Bites again. Today, Sita is going to make fried Bok Choy. As you see, we have the Bok Choy here, Bok Choy whatsoever. And this one, it's Bodi, fried Bodi as well, already chopped into pieces. And both seasoning for both of them. She's going to make this with what? What are you going to eat with this?
Sada roti.
Sada roti.
I already have the Bok Choy washed and cut into pieces, and also the Bodi. I have it in water here, but it's already cut as well. And I'm going to show you how I cook it. Okay, so I'm just going to put in a little bit of oil, not much as you know. And we'll just wait for the pot to get a little hot before I toss all the ingredients in. So I have some onions and garlic and hot peppers. Just wait for this to saute a little bit, and then I'll throw the Bok Choy inside. A little bit more, and then I'll put the Bok Choy. Just gonna add this much and then turn it around, and then I'll toss the rest in. That's so that the onions and garlic and pepper doesn't get too into the bottom. People like it halfway cooked, so we like it fully cooked, so I'll show you in the end what it looks like. I'm just going to add some salt. And then you can taste as you go along. Seems like it's a lot for the pot, but it's going to cook down as it melts. Gonna put down into the pot. So while the Bok Choy is cooking on that side, I'm just gonna fry the Bodi as well on this side. The pot to hot a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to just throw in the same ingredients, garlic, onion and pepper. be on a medium and cover the pot so that it steams and it gets cooked. You don't need to put water in this. Once you have your heat low enough and you cover the pot, then the bodi will steam for itself.
So I'd like to big up some of our subscribers. First of all, we have Bina, Sudama and family from Pinal. Thanks for subscribing. Terry, Lachman Singh, Bina Salikram, and her husband Ravi Basdev, and their beautiful daughter Ravina. Thanks for subscribing. Also Nisha Jangli, Kamini Sukhdev, Ishwar Lala, hey cuz, how you doing? And Indira Lalchan. Thanks again for subscribing.
So these two dishes that we are making today, it's fry pak choy and fry bodi. Keith, I know you like vegetarian dishes, so by all means, if you want, you can try this. It's very delicious. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with roti, you can eat it with bread, anything. Whatever you desire to eat this with, it tastes good with anything. Okay, so let's see. So I'm just gonna add some baking powder to the flour. Today we're just making some white roti, just white flour, no mixture today. And we're gonna make sada roti. Sada roti meaning no oil, no butter or anything in the flour. It's just the baking powder and the flour, and then we're gonna cook it on the tower, sake it on the heat, and that's how it's gonna cook. So you just kind of continue mixing the flour, continue putting water, and then bring all to a mixture. If you find the flour is too sticky, you just toss in a little bit of dry flour, and then you kind of mix it in. So it's almost finished cooking. Let's see what this one looks like. Yes, it's cooking too. This one is steaming nice. Now, if you find when you put the bodi in the pot, and even if you have it at low heat and it's getting dry too quickly, you can always put in a little bit of water and then cover it so that it would steam with the water and the bodi inside in the pot. So for me, I find it's steaming really nice. So I'm not going to add any water to this. I'm going to just cover it on low heat until it cooks.
Also, Trini Bites would like to wish Indra Bagan happy birthday on the 24th. May the Lord give you many, many more to come. And also, check out Trini Bites on YouTube. Very nice channel from Trinidad. Also, Colas TV from Jamaica. Look forward for watching your videos. Me and the family, we love the way you cook, the way you guys hang out with Kanta, Socks, and Murphy and those guys. Man, we love it. So check this video out. Colas TV from Jamaica.
Okay, so the pak choy is finished now. I'll throw it out in a bowl and you guys will see it better. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the body here now. I think this just needs like another five minutes and it should be good. So we basically just roll it out like you would for any other roti. So you just lay it kind of hanging over the tower and then you let the heat do its thing. And this is the sada roti right here. And then we just cut it into quarters. Like this. And like this. Toss it in a bowl like so. So that is the roti. An avocado.
Alright, so dinner is finished. Bok Choy, fried bodi, a piece of zaboka, and salad roti.
And some lime pepper sauce.
The lime pepper sauce. So let's taste.
Also the pak choy, you could always add saltfish in this as well. So,
a long time we haven't had this, so really good. Trying the bodi right now.
So good. We didn't feel like meat today. I decided to make a vegetarian dish.
Really tasty. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.